So hello fellow coin collectors, how you going today? My name is Glenn and today we're going to have a look at some Bulgarian coins that we issued before 1916. So Bulgaria actually stopped issuing silver coins in 1916 and they resumed around about 1930 because of the First World War. A lot of countries stopped issuing silver like Germany, Austria. I can't remember, did France? Yeah, France probably did, because they need that silver to pay for war materials. The UK never stopped issuing silver, they kept issuing it, but after the war they had to reduce it so they can pay off their war debt. So here I have a 1912 lever, and this is the issue that was issued in 1913 and 1916 as well. So 1912 they actually had 1 million coins. This coin weighs 10 grams. It's 27 millimeters, and the thickness is 1.95 millimeters, so nearly 2. And on the side, it has I presume it says Bulgaria, Kingdom of Bulgaria. So I can't read that, but anyway, on this side it just has Ferdinand the First, Tsar of the Bulgarians. So Bulgarians is there, and this is a 0.835 fine silver, so it's 83.5% silver, and it actually has a value of about $4.35 US cents. So it does have some value. It's probably about $6, and it's probably equivalent. Where is it? Here it is. The Australian florin, not florin, yeah, florin. It's just a little bit bigger. So this one is a value of about $7. So this is probably about $6.50 Australian. And they're easy to get on eBay because they're very readily available for probably about $10-20. So here I have an 1894 issue, and this issue actually has the portrait of, I believe that's Ferdinand the First as well, but it's just a younger portrait. So this is when he's an older person, this is when he's a younger person. And where are the other coin? The 1882 version, which was the first issue of this coin, and it has the coat of arms of the Kingdom of Bulgaria. So it has the same specifications as before, but this one has a mintage of 2 million. At the time, the Bulgarian population was actually quite low. I believe it's like, I don't know, between 1 or 2 million. And here it just says Bulgaria, unity makes strength. I'm not going to read the Cyrillic. And it just has the denomination. Also has some fruit down below. And it has wheat on either side. So, do I have a pen? Yes, I do. So it has wheat sticking up here, and it has some fruit down there and a reef down the bottom. And this side, it's just, see with these coin ones, because they're stuck together, you have to rip it apart to get the coin out, so I'm not going to do that. And it has lettering on the side as well, which just means God save Bulgaria. So that is a 1-year issue, and in 1891 they actually just started to put the portrait on it. So this one I just showed, 1894. This one has a mintage of just 1 million coins. So that's, and the motto on the side, it just means God save Bulgaria. That's basically it. So it's Bulgaria there. God saves. So that's basically it. And I have another 1912. So, and the previous owner is written on it. So extremely fine. That was their classification. So the other denominations I've got is the 1 lever 1891. You can go to Numister to find out what the actual mintages of them are. So these are 5 grams because they're half the denomination of that one. 1910 1 lever, and this one also has a portrait. And as you can see, same king, but the portrait is facing the other way. And each denomination has the portrait facing a different way, which helps distinguish the actual denomination. So here's a 1912 50 Stodinki. So the smaller silver coin, as you can see, it's facing the same way as the 2 lever. So nice coin, beautiful Bulgarian history. And the only base metal coins I got is the 2 Stodinki 1912. And this was actually the last issue of this denomination because World War I actually increased prices at this time, so they stopped. They would have still been circulated, but it just stopped minting them. And this coin has a mintage of 40 million, so it's actually not a rare coin. And the base denominations just have the Bulgarian lion. So, and then I have the 20 Stodinsky. This was issued between 1906 and 1912. And this design also comes in the 10 and 5 Stodinsky denominations as well. Same pretty much denominations. And in 1917 they were issued in zinc, and these coins were issued were circulated into the 20s. And then they actually issued new coins in the, I think, 1923 because inflation. So these ones went out of use. So 1906, this had a mintage of 10 million. And it's a coat of arms. And here I have the 1912, has a mintage of 10 million. Oh, sorry, there was also a 1913 mintage. So the 1906 and 12 were minted at Kremika. The 1913 was minted in Austria. And these ones are copper nickel. They weigh 5 grams, 21 millimeters, and 1.7 millimeters thick. And as you can see, it has no reading because they weren't really concerned about counterfeiting, because the metal content of this one is a lot less than the face value. Counterfeiting would have occurred more likely in the silver ones to debase the silver. So these coins are actually the same size, or the silver ones, as the Latin Monetary Union, which Bulgaria was once part of. So here's a Swiss coin, 1946, so this is silver. And if I look at, where do you have a Swiss coin? Gee, I think I've got Alzheimer's. I'm just going to pause the video while I find it. Okay, so here I found it. So this is the base metal one, it's pretty much the same size as the silver one. So if we join them together, these are, the Swiss coins are slightly bigger, probably because of the reading, but these ones are pretty much the same size, confirming they're the same value when they were silver coins issued in the Latin Monetary Union. So if you don't know about the Latin Monetary Union, I actually have done another video, and so have other people, so just look it up. Or you could go to Wikipedia and read the article about it. It's probably a bit more informative. But anyway, those are my early Bulgarian coins. I actually haven't tried to collect the other denominations for a few years, so maybe I will start getting on that. Yeah, getting the higher denominations will actually be a lot harder. The 100 leva is probably virtually impossible to get, and it's probably very expensive anyway, a few $100 because it's a high denomination. But yeah, that is all for my presentation today. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. If you like Bulgarian coins, please leave a comment down below. If you're from Bulgaria, please leave a comment down below. and they just have an awesome coin collecting time, people. I do have a Discord forum down below. If you'd like to join, just put images of your coins on there or banknotes, or just ask any questions so we can help each other out with our coin and banknote collecting. Thank you very much. Have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Okay, bye bye.